Okay, what's up, guys? This is our old starter, 2008 Grand Jeep Cherokee. Now, I removed the drive shaft and slid it back there, and unbolted the axle from there. See those two bolt holes right there? First, I took a little wrench size 13 like this to go up in there and unbolt these holes, unbolt these bolts right here. I took that wrench to unbolt that bolt right there. That little wrench will fit right up in there to unbolt that bolt, and it slides out through this way right here, this way. See, it slides out through that way. All in all, it's not a difficult job. To me, it's an easy job. About 45 minutes.